咁第一句係先請佢同Kara 打個招呼，用廣東話。係 say hi to Kara。
大家好，我係Jackson。
好，跟住下一個問，咁係向大家推介我哋新開嘅呢間鋪貼啦，因為其實佢話佢啱啱今日第一次嚟啦，佢覺得呢個氣氛非常之好啊！如果大家下午係需要揾啲嘢去做，揾啲街行下咧，非常之建議大家嚟睇下。咁下一個問題啦，就係想問下佢點樣去形容自己個人 style 啦，同埋同你自己平時舞台嘅裝扮會有啲咩唔同咧？
How would you describe your personal style? And do you find that your on-stage fashion differs from your everyday style?
Oh yeah, definitely. There's a difference between my style on stage. I feel like my style on stage is much more louder than my personal style. I like to be more subtle, but have a point with my personal style. For me on stage, something very loud, so that fans could see me from far away.
咁佢話其實當然佢嘅個人打扮同舞台裝扮係會有好大嘅唔同嘅，舞台裝扮通常都係好出嘅，要有好多好強調嘅重點，但係佢自己個人嘅打扮嘅話，可能就會比較簡約啲，或者可能得少少重點咁樣。